late? Do you jump every time the phone rings? The debt collectors are closing in.
It's an embarrassing daylights out of you. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that to your family and friends. And I think you got kids too, if I'm not mistaken.
It's a growing trend. As people get behind in paying their bills, collection agencies are on the case, making sure you pay up.
Hi, everybody. Today I'm looking for a car thief by the name of Michelle Gators.
1201, 1211.
Chris gets dozens of calls daily.
1222, 1223.
Debt collector calls all day.
340, 438.
And all night.
I had discontinued my cable service. So they, I guess, wanted the cable box back.
Chris says he tried to return the cable box but was given the wrong address. It's been a year now. He still has the box, and collectors want him to pay.
I had literally 12 missed calls when I woke up. Now, it's come to the point where I almost recognize the number and oh, it's them again. I can just hit ignore.
And that is a big mistake. Hoping the debt collectors will go away just doesn't work.
Is that a bad idea?
I think it is a bad idea.
Attorney Mark Buckley helps people who are deep in debt. He says there is a legal, easy, and quick way to stop all those calls.
Can you write to the collection agency and say, do not contact me?
You can do exactly that.
It's called a cease letter. We'll show you how to get one in a moment.
That will certainly quiet your phones down.
If the calls keep coming, you can take the collector to court. The Fair Debt Collection Practice limits on when a collector can call and how often.
If you can prove that the debt collector is in violation of the law, you actually have to prove actual damages, which may be difficult.
Here's 4 tips to remember. Tip number 1, don't ignore calls. Tip 2, ask the collector to send you details on your debt in writing. Tip 3, start recording conversations if you feel like you're being harassed. This can be used as evidence later. Tip 4, send a cease letter. And get advice from a qualified consumer protection advocate. Buckley says some get so overwhelmed, the only way out is bankruptcy.
Debt collectors have to act fair, but even if they were to abuse the law, and many of them do, the person is still left owing a lot of debt.
The Association of Credit and Collection Professionals says they do not harass people. The group even claims collectors get flowers and letters from grateful consumers, even video to prove it.
Thus the flowers.
For now, Chris is not willing to make that connection just yet.
At first, I thought of it as harassing, but then I just stopped caring.
Want to know more? Head to abc6.com and click on the Show Me the Money tab. There you'll find that cease letter, and you can read up on the Fair Debt Collections Act.